Hi guys, this is another video in my kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make those perfect pancakes for a Saturday morning. Just so you know, I'm not in a new kitchen. We just got our cabinets painted. So first we're going to mix together our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, we're going to add in our flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Give it a whisk. Don't forget to melt your butter. Perfect. Now we're going to add in some vanilla extract, milk, 1 egg. Mix it up. Once mixed, we're going to gradually add in melted butter. Don't overmix. Scrape down the sides so all the ingredients are fully combined. At this point, you can add anything you want, but I like to add some chocolate chips to my pancakes. On a pan over medium heat, we're going to grease our pan. We're going to add a scoop of pancake batter. Once you see bubbles forming around the pancake, we're going to flip it over. Pancake, butter, pancake, more butter, pancake, and more butter. You always need to enjoy.